how to set this. There you go, cute. Now let's add some sugar and some water. Here, let's heat it. Now let's stir the tanghulu in the sugar syrup. There, tanghulu. Oopsies. Let's start our mukbang. That looks so good, guys. Gosh, tanghulu like this looks like cool. I wish tanghulu looks so cool. Wait, how do you eat this? Oh, there. Oh, no. I think we're supposed to hit it on 5. Okay. Whoa, received 500 money. Yellow, here's Lulu. Use 0 sugar. I'm a big fan. Please say I love you. No. Not this one. It's so cute. Sakura Dino looks super cool though. Oh, that's so cute. I think this will match with this one. This one. Ooh, that's so cute though. Like, I don't think the ads just stop. Here, let's add some sugar and some water, and then now boil it. Let's stir our tanghulu. Yeah, this looks so cool. So she said aesthetic is going to be the next level. So yeah, this one's perfect. I want to buy something that is not that. Maybe we'll start with strawberry, and then I want to add another strawberry, and another pink strawberry, and another one. Yay! Now that one is cherry blossom. On the water. Let's stir our tanghulu. That's okay. to fit in a mouth, but her hand is so small, it could literally fit. Eat it! Eat it! Lulu, eat it! Yeah, great. Thank you, guys! Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!